Hi guys and girls on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a really quick video. I'm sorry about this, guys, but I'm really busy at the moment. I've got a big job on. It's going to be take at least another couple of weeks, so I'm struggling to get any content out for YouTube. So I thought I'll just make this quick video. I've got something here to show you, and I think you'll find this pretty useful. So a couple of weeks ago, it might be a month ago, I can't remember now, I posted a video on YouTube about the dangers of trying to rework SRBP circuit boards with hot air, and of course I get a lot of negative comments after the video. People saying, oh, you should preheat it first, and where's your preheater, you don't have a preheater. Well, just take a look at this before we carry on. Right, now I know it looks a bit of a mess in here because I'm just too busy to tidy up at the moment, but you might be surprised to know I've been preheating boards for over 20 years now. In fact, I've got this cheap preheater I bought, I don't know, it's that long ago, can't remember. And I've also got this Ursa infrared reflow station. Now this isn't, I don't hardly use this anymore because it's not lead free, it's only for leaded solder, but it does have a very useful preheater with a high temperature boost function there. Now I bought this about, well, it's over 20 years ago, and I spent about, best part about 10 grand. I invested in a lot of new equipment so I could do Sky Digibox repairs. In fact, I actually wrote an article about this in television magazine. Let me just go and pull this out. Right, so here it is here. It's actually October 2003. And if we turn over here, yeah, that's me there. It runs over about 3 pages. This is when I used to do BGA. I don't do BGA anymore because I don't have the equipment, and I'm not spending thousands of pounds buying a load more new equipment for something that's a dying trade. In fact, I can't even remember how much I paid for that now. I think it's about 4,700, 4,800 at the time, which, you know, back in what did I say it was? Back in 2003, that was an awful lot of money then. So anyway, this is what we're building up to. So I've got another preheater by the way. I use this hot air station for desoldering surface mounts. Now, one of the problems with this is you've got to hold it with your hand, and that only leaves you one hand left to move parts about, which is not very convenient. Now, what I want to show you is this little thing I bought on AliExpress. I'm not going to mention the actual seller I bought it from because unlike most people on YouTube, I'm not getting paid by somebody to review something and say it's good when it's probably not. I'm not getting paid to do that, so I'm not going to mention the seller. If you want to have a look on AliExpress, there's loads of people selling these. This is what I've invested in. Now, I bought this quite a few months ago. I can't remember exactly how much it was. I thought it was very expensive for something Chinese. I think it's about 22, 24, 25 pound or something. And you know, most stuff in China is really cheap, but I thought this was really expensive actually. So what you do is, it's an adjustable boom. We can move it like that any way you want, and what you do is your hot air, your iron, you stick that into there. Let's put it in, I'll show you. So there we go, you can see it's set up now there. It's just tightened down onto my bench at the moment, just on the edge there. And if we have a look now on this adjustable boom, you see you can have this any way you want. You can put it down like that, any way you want, and then that leaves you with both hands free to align the surface mount components and to actually view what's happening when it's reflowing. But yeah, I thought that was a really cool thing. In fact, I don't even know how I managed without it. And of course, if you've got different preheaters, you can swing this round and of course move it onto a different bench. Like so. So there we go, guys and girls. I thought it was very expensive for something that's Chinese, but it's incredibly useful. I don't know how I managed without this, because now you've got two hands free using this. Alright, guys and girls on YouTube, many thanks for watching this video. I'm really sorry it's had to be quick. I've got loads and loads of vintage stuff to show you, but I just haven't got the time at the moment to do anything else. So it's a quick video. I might not have a chance to answer all the comments, but anyway, many thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.